How would you evaluate the impact of the system model on organizational behavior? Option A, by ignoring employee needs and satisfaction. Option B, by focusing only on financial performance. Option C, by evaluating managerial authority. Option D, by assessing how different elements, individual, group, structure interact within the system. The correct answer is by assessing how different elements, individuals, groups, structure interact within the system. Question number 24. Which model of OB emphasizes the importance of power and authority in managing employees? Option A, autocrat model. Option B, collegial model. Option C, supportive model. Option D, custodial model. The correct answer is autocrat model. Question number 25. Develop a strategy to improve organizational culture in the company. Option A, ignore employee feedback and impose change. Option B, limit social interactions and focus on productivity. Option C, focus only on financial performance. Option D, foster open communication, involves employees in decision making and promote teamwork. The correct answer is foster open communication, involve employees in decision making and promote teamwork. Question number 26. Which of the following strategies would best overcoming the limitations of OB in multinational organizations? Option A, implementing culturally sensitive leadership and policies. Option B, fostering inclusive organizational policies. Option C, ignoring local laws and practices. Option D, rigidly enforcing one cultural norms. The correct answer is implementing carefully sensitive leadership and policies. Question number 27. Which of the following is a limitations when implementing OB in a global context? Option A, resistance to theoretical advancement. Option B, lack of job satisfaction. Option C, difference in cultural norms and practices. Option D, language and cultural barriers. The correct answer is difference A, cultural norms and practices. Question number 28. How does the custodial model of OB view employees? Option A, as independent decision makers. Option B, as dependent on the organization for security and well-being. Option C, as emotional beings. As emotional beings driven by personal growth. Option D, a passive followers rely on personal values. The correct answer is as department on the organizational on the organizations for security and well-being. Question number 29. What would be a potential outcome of ignore cultural difference in OB? Option A, higher employee engagement. Option B, increased conflict and misunderstanding between employees for decision making from difference culturals. Option C, decreased productivity by improved communication. The correct answer is increased conflict and misunderstanding between employees from different cultural. Question number 30. Which OB model would you use to improve employee job satisfaction? Option A, autocrat model. Option B, collegial model. Option C, supportive model. Option D, system model. The correct answer is supportive model. Continuous assignment 3. Question number 1. What is the definition of perceptions? Option A, the ability to process information. Option B, the process of organizing and interpreting sensory information. Option C, the process of making decisions. Option D, the act of interpreting and organizing sensory information. The correct answer is the process of organizing and interpreting sensory information. Question number 2. How would you assess the effectiveness of a perceptions management program? Option A, by measuring customer satisfaction. Option B, by reviewing the number of complaints. Option C, by evaluating changes in team dynamics and communication. Option D, by tracking employee productivity. The correct answer is by evaluating changes in a team dynamics and communication. Question number 3. What is the definition of attitude? Option A, an unconscious reaction to event. Option B, a temporary emotion state. Option C, a learned tendency to respond productivity and negatively to a person, object or ideas. Option D, an action that follows a behavior. The correct answer is a learned tendency to respond productivity or negatively to a person, objective and idea. Question number 4. What is the role of cognitive dissonance in attitude change? Option A, it motivates individual to reduce inconsistency in their attitude and behaviors. Option B, it may lead to more positive attitude. Option C, it has a impact on attitude. Option D, it prevents any changes in attitude. The correct answer is it motivates individuals to reduce inconsistency in their attitude and behaviors. Question number 5. How would you apply the ABC model of attitude to improve employee morale? Option A, by focusing solely on challenging the effective component. Option B, by focusing only on behavioral outcomes. Option C, by ignoring employee beliefs. Option D, by addressing employees' attractive behavioral and cognitive components. The correct answer is by addressing employees' affective, behavioral, and cognitive components. Question number 6. How could you improve job satisfaction by using the concept of attitude? Option A. By aligning employees' attitude with an organizational goals and values. Option B. By rewarding employees with more money. Option C. By changing employees' attitude toward management. Option D. By increasing the work hours of employees. The correct answer is by aligning employees' attitude with organizational goals and values. Question number 7. How would you create a strategy to improve job satisfaction in an organizational? Option A. By assessing tasks without employees' input. Option B. By providing opportunities for growth and feedback. Option C. By cutting down the number of breaks. Option D. By fostering an inclusive culture and encouraging work-life balance. The correct answer is by fostering an inclusive culture and encouraging work-life balance. Question number 8. Which of the following is true about job satisfaction? Option A. It is influenced by both intrinsic and extrinsic factors. Option B. It is influenced by job related factors. Option C. It only relates to monetary compensation. Option D. It is permanent and unchangeable. The correct answer is it is influenced by both intrinsic and extrinsic factors. Intrinsic factors and extrinsic factors. Question number 9. How could you address job dissatisfaction in the team? Option A. By identifying the underlying causes and addressing them. Option B. By ignoring the causes of dissatisfaction. Option C. By increasing competitions between team members. Option D. By promoting only the most senior members. The correct answer is by identify the underlying causes and addressing them. Question number 10. What could be the cause of loss job satisfaction among employees? Option A. Lack of recognition, growth opportunities and changing work. Option B. More teamwork and collaboration. Option C. Fewer work-related challenges. Option D. Higher salaries and better benefits. The correct answer is lack of recognition, growth opportunities and challenging work. Question number 11. How would you identify the factor contributing to low job satisfaction in a team? Option A. By measuring the amount of time spent at work. Option B, by analyze team performance and feedback. Option C, by gathering employee feedback through surveys and decisions. Option D, by evaluating salaries di- difference between employees. The correct answer is by gathering employee feedback through surveys and decisions. Question number 12. What is the first step in the perceptual process? Option A, making decision. Option B, selecting the information to attend to. Option C, interpreting sensory information. Option D, identify patterns. The correct answer is selecting the information to attend to. Question number 13. How can you evaluate the effectiveness of job satisfaction in interventions in an organizational? Option A, by tracking the amount of overtime worked. Option B, by observing employee attendance patterns. Option C, by assessing changes in employee engagement and performance over time. Option D, by measuring individual job roles. The correct answer is by assessing challenges in employee engagement and performance over time. Question number 14. What is personality? Option A temporary emotion state. Option B, a set of inherited reflex. Option C, a person physical appearance. Option D, a combination of characteristics or qualities that form an individual's dis, dis, distinctive character. The correct answer is a combination of characteristics or qualities that form an individual distinct, distinctive character. Question number 15. What does the trait theory of personality focus on? Option A, genetic inheritance. Option B, consistent and stable characteristic that can be measured and used to describe a person. Option C, the unconscious mind. Option D, the influence of external environment. The correct answer is consistent and stable characteristic that can be measured and used to describe a person. Question number 16. According to Freud, which part of the personality deals with moral standards? Option A, the ego. Option B, the ID. Option C, the judgment. Option D, the superego. The correct answer is the superego. Question number 17. How could you use the MBTI theory to improve team dynamics? Option A, by grouping employees based solely on their extraversion score. Option B, by understanding and accommodating employees' personality preference to optimize collaboration. Option C, by assessing tasks based on the type of each employee favorite color. Option D, by promoting only introvert personalities. The correct answer is by understanding and accommodating employees' personality preference to optimize collaboration. Question number 18. How would you evaluate the effectiveness of a personality based recruitment system? Option A, by analyzing job performance and job fit for selected candidates based on personality traits. Option B, by reviewing the length of the interview process. Option C, by tracking their salaries professions. Option D, by measuring how much candidates like the company. The correct answer is by analyze job performance and job fit for selected candidates based on personality traits. Question number 19. What could be the potential risk of hiring only people with similar personality traits? Option A, increased creativity and problem solving. Option B, more diverse perspectives. Option C, reduced innovation and lack of diverse approaches to challenge. Option B, better group con- cohesion. The correct answer is reduced innovation and lack of diverse approach to challenges. Question number 20. How would you create a team using personality assessments? Option A, by ignoring personality in favor of skill set. A. Option B, by using a mix of different personality traits to complement each other's strengths. Option C, by assessing only job related skills. Option D, by hiring people with the same personality types. The correct answer is by using a mix of different personality traits to complement each other strengths. Question number 21. How would you evaluate the employee personality compatibility with a new role? Option A, by observing their social media activities. Option B, by comparing their physical appearance with others. Option C, by assessing their educational background. Option D, by analyzing their personality traits and how they align with the demands of the new role. The correct answer is by analyzing their personality traits and how they align with the demand of the new role. Question number 22. How could you create a more cohesive team based on personality traits? Option A, by using a personality assessment tool to match team members with complementary traits. Option B, by excluding introverted individuals. Option C, by segregating segregating individuals based on roles only. Option D, by focusing only on technical skills. The correct answer is by using a personality assessment tool to match teams members to members with complementary traits. Question number 23. How does selective perceptions influence an individual's judgment? Option A, it causes individual to focus on all information equality. Option B, it leads to unbiased decisions. Option C, it causes individuals to focus on specific details and ignore others. Option D, it limits the awareness of same details. The correct answer is it causes individual to focus on specific detail and ignore. Question number 24. Which personality theory emphasizes the role of unconscious motives? Option A, trait theory. Option B, cognitive behavioral theory. Option C, psychoanalytic theory, Freud. Option D, social learning theory. The correct answer is psychoanalytic theory, Freud. Question number 25. How would you evaluate the impact of managers' perceptions on the team performance? Option A, by evaluating team members' salary levels. Option B, by assessing how the managers view influence team morale and dynamics. Option C, by tracking individual performance. Option D, by observing the number of the meeting held. The correct answer is by assessing how the managers view influence team morale and dynamics. Question number 26. Which of the following method would best minimize perceptual bias in hiring decisions? Option A, making quick decision based on intuition. Option B, relying solely on resumes. Option C, using structured interviews and diverse evaluation criteria. Option D, using interviews to evaluate candidates. The correct answer is using structured interviews and diverse evaluation criteria. Question number 27. How might the halo effect influence managerial decisions? A. Option A, by allowing managers to assess employee equality. Option B, by creating unbiased evaluations. Option C, by fostering open communication. Option D, by leading two generations about employees based on one positive or negative traits. The correct answer is by leading to generational to generalizational about employees based on one positive and negative traits. Question number 28. How would you evaluate the effectiveness of the training program on reconducting perceptual bias? Option A, by measuring employee satisfaction. Option B, by tracking the number of meetings held. Option C, by assessing the competition rate of program. Option D, by evaluating changes in behavior and decision making accuracy. The correct answer is by evaluating changes in behavior and decision making accuracy. Question number 29. Which of the following is an example of a perceptual errors? Option A, accurately interpreting others' behaviors. Option B, objective decision making. Option C, overlooking conceptual factors and making based biased judgments. Option D, understanding different viewpoints. The correct answer is overlooking contextual factors and decision on making biased judgments. Question number 30. How does the perceptual process affect decision making in organization? Option A, it leads to better outcomes. Option B, it ensures fairness in decision making. Option C, it simplifies complex problems. Option D, it can introduce bias that distort the decision making process. The correct answer is it can introduce bias that distort the decision making process.